हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे मिड पॉइंट। मिड पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट का मिड पॉइंट आप जानते हैं कि अगर कोई लाइन है ए बी, ए के कोऑर्डिनेट हमको दिए हुए हैं x1, y1 और बी के कोऑर्डिनेट दिए हुए हैं x2, y2 और हम इसके मिड में कोई पॉइंट m लेते हैं तो m के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? m के कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ m के कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे x1 प्लस x2 बाई 2 और y1 प्लस y2 बाई 2। तो मतलब इसका x1 और इसका y2 दोनों को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे। मिड पॉइंट है तो ये 1:1 के रेशियो में 2 डिवाइड करेगा और सेक्शन फार्मूले से इसको ड्राइव किया गया है। सेक्शन फार्मूला जब पढ़ाएंगे तो इसको हम ड्राइव करके बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन देखिए। सो we have here a question is if C, which coordinate is 2 p, is the midpoint of A and B. Coordinate of A is given 6 -5 and coordinate of B is given -2 11. Then find the value of P. P is given in the ordinate in the point P. We are saying that A and B are 2 points whose coordinates are 6 -5 and this coordinate is -2 11. And here a midpoint C, which point whose coordinate is 2 p. Then find the value of P. Here by midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2, which is given what? 2 p. Here this will be x1 and this will be y1, this will be x2 and this will be y2. So writing this 6 minus 2 upon 2 and y1 is -5 and y2 is 11 plus 11 by 2, which is equals to 2 minus p. Here calculating this we get 4 upon 2, which is, we write here, which this gives us 4 by 2 this gives 6 by 2, which is equals to 2 p. From here this is given 2 and here 3, which is 2 p. Comparing the ordered pair we get p equals to 3. P is 3 in this question. Okay. Question number 2. Here we are given question number 2. Point A is whose coordinate is 2a, 4 and point B whose coordinate is -2, 3b and C is the midpoint whose coordinate is 1, 2a plus 1 and we have to find A and B. So by the midpoint formula, midpoint x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2 है ना midpoint. Here this will be x1 and this will be y1 and this will be x2, this will be y2. Writing this, which is given equals to C, means 1, 2a plus 1. We have to find out A and B only. So we are putting 2a in place of x1 and -2 upon 2. This is our first abscissa and abscissa of midpoint, and second one is 4 plus 3b upon 2, which is equals to C is midpoint 1, 2a plus 1. Comparing both sides we get, first cancel this, taking 2 common, a minus 1 and 2 cancel, 4 plus 3b upon 2 equals to 1, 2a plus 1. Now comparing both sides, a minus 1 will be equal to 1. This means A is 2, and here comparing second term with second ordinate, which is 4 plus 3b by 2 equals to 2a plus 1, and A is already calculated 4 plus 3b, which is 2 multiplying right hand side 4a plus 2. Putting the value of A, 4 plus 3b equals to 4a is 2, means 8 plus 2. Here now this becomes 3b and 10 and right side transfer 4 right hand side, this gives minus 4. This is 3b equals to 6, means b is equals to 2. Finally we get a equals to 2 and b is equals to 2 in this midpoint. Now question number 3. Question number 3, we are given a triangle ABC whose coordinates are unknown, and we are given midpoint of BC, AC and AB. Midpoint of BC, which is equals to 3, 4, and midpoint of AC, which is E, and coordinate of midpoint is 8, 9, and midpoint of AB, this is F, hence this coordinate is 6, 7. हमें मिड पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट दिए गए हैं, कोऑर्डिनेट के वर्टिसेस हैं ए बी सी, उसके कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करने हैं. तो आइए कैलकुलेट करते हैं मिड पॉइंट के बेसिस पर ट्राइंगल के वर्टिसेस. ठीक है, तो मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी सी डी क्या दिया हुआ है 3, 4. और फॉर्मूले से क्या आएगा, फॉर्मूले से हम रखेंगे x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2 एंड y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2. x के कोऑर्डिनेट हमने मान लिए x1 y1 और b के कोऑर्डिनेट हमने मान लिए x2 y2 एंड सिमिलरली एज वेल एज c के कोऑर्डिनेट x3 y3. नाउ by this formula here, so the d we can change this suffix here will be x2 plus x3 by 2, okay, and y1 y2, this will be y2 y1 and this will be y3 by 2. This is formula and we are putting, assuming here in this case BC, here will be x1 y1, this will be x2 y2, okay, just numbering change है, बाकी और कुछ नहीं. 3, 4 is given midpoint. Now comparing both sides we get x2 plus x3 upon 2 equals to 3. This means x2 plus x3 बराबर 6, and from here we get y2 plus y3 बराबर 8. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now midpoint of AC, here you can take any number, x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So midpoint of AC, which is given what, this will be x1 plus x3 upon 2 comma and y1 plus y3 upon 2, which is given what, given 8, 9. Simplify this, comparing both sides, x1 plus x3 बराबर 16 and y1 plus y3 which is 18. Equation 3, equation 4. Now midpoint of AB, midpoint AB, which is x1 and x2, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, given as 6, 7. And by comparing we get x1 plus x2 equals to 12 and y1 plus y2 equals to 14. This is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. We had 6 equations, and by solving this we can find out x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2 and y3. Okay, how to solve these equations? Look at this. Here we have x1, x2, and here we have x1 plus x3. From these two equations we eliminate x1. Equation 5 and equation 3. Equation 5, equation 3. Equation 3 minus equation 5. Equation 3 minus equation 5 means equation 3 is x1 plus x2 equals to 16, and equation 5 is x1 plus, sorry, this one is x3, this one is x3. So x1 plus x2 is 12. Subtracting this, x1 cancel. Here we get x3 minus x2, 4. This is equation number 7. Now equation 7 and equation 1. We are subtracting, okay? Subtracting equation 1 minus equation 7. Here we get x2 plus x3 equals to 6, and we get here writing minus x2 first and later x3. This is 4. And adding both, sorry this will be adding, okay, add करेंगे क्योंकि नेगेटिव तो हमें पहले दिया हुआ है, एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. x2 कैंसिल, दिस मीन 2x3 विच इज 10. इसका मतलब हुआ x3 इज 5. x3 5 है. अब पुटिंग x3 हियर इन इक्वेशन 3 वी गेट व्हाट, x1 इज 11. x1 is 11 and x1 putting in this equation we get x2 बराबर 1. x2 बराबर 1. x1, x2, x3. Similarly we can find out y1, y2, y3.